Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your GoPro Hero camera beeping. The GoPro Hero is a great camera that takes high quality video, is very portable, and is very rugged. However, one of the more annoying features turned on by default is a loud beep that sounds every time you press a button. Thankfully, there are two ways to stop your GoPro Hero beeping problem, and I'll walk through them both in this video. The first option uses the GoPro app, and the second option is turning the beep off using the GoPro Hero camera's menu. First, we'll walk through how to disable the GoPro Hero beeping sound in the GoPro app. Step 1. Press the mode button on the right side of your GoPro Hero to turn your device on. Your GoPro Hero screen will turn on. Step 2. Tap to launch the GoPro app on your smart device. The GoPro home screen appears. Step 3. Tap the camera icon in the upper left corner of the screen. The camera icon is a silhouette that looks like the front of a GoPro. The camera screen appears. Step 4. Tap the name of the GoPro Hero you want to turn beeping off for. If a prompt appears asking if GoPro can join your Hero camera on your Wi-Fi network, tap Join. Eventually, the screen associated with your GoPro Hero will load, displaying the view through the lens of your camera. Step 5. Tap the settings icon in the lower right corner of the screen. The settings icon looks like a gear. The settings screen appears. Step 6. Tap Beeps in the setup section. The Beeps screen appears with options for high, medium, low, and mute. High is selected by default. However, if you want to turn off all beeps on your GoPro Hero camera, tap to select Mute. You'll automatically be returned to the settings screen where mute will now appear as the selection to the right of beeps. Now let's walk through how to disable the beeping sound on your GoPro Hero using the camera's touchscreen menu. Step 1. Press the mode button along the right side of your GoPro Hero to turn your camera on. The view through the lens appears on the back of the device. Step 2. Swipe down from the top of the screen. The Preferences screen appears. Locate the icon that features the music note on it that will be shaded dark blue. Step 3. Tap the icon featuring the music note. The icon will switch to be shaded light gray, and a camera beeps off message appears across the top of the screen. Step 4. Swipe back up to close this menu. Congratulations, you now know how to stop your GoPro Hero camera beeping. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.